Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. Today is going to be another capsule wardrobe video, giving ideas of how I take my 10-item capsule wardrobe and turn it into outfits throughout the week. Today's outfit, I have no plans on leaving the house. I am wearing an Aries sweater. This particular sweater is not still available. They have it in a plain gray though. These are the black skinny jeans from Target. They are the perfect length for petites. I've said before I'm only 5 foot tall and I don't have to roll these, which is always a plus. And then because I'm not going anywhere, I'm just wearing slippers on my feet. My makeup is tinted sunscreen, mascara, and the Milk lip and cheek combo. I've talked about it in other videos. I love using that. And my hair, I partially blow dried it and I'm just waiting for it to air dry the rest of the way. Today's a heavy work day for my regular job, so just gonna be posted up at the table most of the day, trying to get as much work done as possible because my husband and I are going out of town at the end of the week, which means I need to really focus on working ahead. So I'm gonna do that, and pretty laid back day otherwise. If I were going to leave the house, I would just put on a basic pair of sneakers. Let me grab them, I'll show you. I got a new pair of sneakers for Christmas and I think they're adorable. So let me grab those and I'll show you what they look like and what I would pair this outfit with. These are the sneakers. They are Echo brand. I love these. They're in kind of this, I don't know if it's showing up very well on camera, but they're like this metallic gray color, white bottom, and then on the back is a little leather detail. These are really cute, and I think that they are going to pair nicely with most of my wardrobe items this season. Today I am wearing my mom wardrobe. This is what I wear anytime I don't want to put any thought into my outfit. I just want to put something on that I know I'm going to be able to run errands, clean the house, get things done. I'm going to be comfortable, and I'm going to look put together enough. I have these Aries oversized tees. I've talked about them several times before. They're just a basic item I keep in my wardrobe. I have it in plain white as well as gray. For Christmas, my husband got me a new pair of leggings. He has known that I have, for probably the last 5 years, wanted to get a pair of black Lululemon Align leggings. So that is something he got me this year for Christmas. This is the 25-inch length, which I think is meant to be a capri, but because I'm so petite, they do fit like regular leggings. I like them. I like the fit, and I do like that they don't have any visible stitching, which is something that my Aries leggings have. These don't have the pocket like the Aries leggings, but they also have no visible stitching, which is nice. The Aries ones are fleece lined though, so they definitely keep me warmer in the winter, but I do think I'll get quite a bit of use out of these as well. This cardigan is from Target, just a slouchy oversized cardigan. I have this in a couple of different colors. This is in a smoky gray, which I thought that I would get more use out of, but I do think that it works with this outfit. Just looks kind of monochromatic. And then on my feet, I am wearing the Echo sneakers that I talked about, also something that I received for Christmas. These shoes are very comfortable and they feel like they are high quality and are going to last for a long time. So I am very happy to have these. They are not showing up very well on camera, but they do have a metallic sparkle almost to them, which I think is cute and adds a little extra detail to the outfit. My hair is curled, half up, half down, 10-minute makeup look. And today is just getting the house cleaned, school run. I'm gonna make some sourdough English muffins. Not a ton on the agenda, but just trying to tackle the daily to-do list. It's actually the same day, but we are going to switch it up slightly because I am going to be leaving the house and heading to the mall to get one of my sons a new pair of shoes. His shoes, he put a hole in the top of them. So we need to get those replaced. I switched out the cardigan for this green army jacket. I've mentioned before, this came from Forever 21 probably 10 years ago. This jacket was $20 and it is probably the best purchase I have made for that amount of money. Normally things from Forever 21 don't last very long. Maybe it's because this is a jacket and it doesn't get washed as regularly, but it's held up really well. It's a very basic style though. You can find these at a ton of different retailers. And then I am pairing it with my Target backpack. This is an item that I have already replaced once because I wore out the first one. I love using a backpack as a purse and just being completely hands-free and not having to deal with lugging a purse around. So I typically, unless I'm going someplace really formal, I'm wearing a backpack as my handbag. I'm also realizing as I'm getting into the car that I didn't say why I changed my clothes. I live in Oregon and it's pouring down rain, so I needed a jacket with a hood so that I didn't get soaking wet walking into the mall. Today is a pretty heavy work day for me and I also have a doctor's appointment. I wash my hair 3 times a week, and typically on days that I wash my hair, I just either let it air dry, or this morning I blow dried it, but I didn't flat iron it, curl it, anything. I'm just leaving it as is after I dried it about 70% of the way and then let it air dry the rest of the way. As for my makeup, I am just wearing tinted sunscreen again. I did my brows, lashes, and have a nude lip liner on. I did, because the tinted sunscreen I use is a little bit shiny, I did mattify that with some pressed powder. But other than that, no eyeshadow, bronzer, blush, anything like that on my face. No foundation, just the sunscreen. I redid my manicure this morning. I am trying to get away. I love gel manicures, but they are really hard on your nails after a while. So I'm trying to give my nails a bit of a break and just paint them. Admittedly, I am not very good about painting my nails. I don't know if I'm not patient enough to get the polish to look good, but I typically, oh, I was out of the frame. I typically end up screwing them up, which is why I prefer gel polish, but giving the nails a break and painting them. This is a Zoya color. If I can find it, I will link it in the description box down below. I use Zoya base coat, top coat, polish, and the quick drying drops. I did buy a pack on Amazon that had nail polish remover, base coat, top coat, and then the quick dry drops. So that is what I used today, in addition to a kind of pinky colored Zoya polish as an homage to Valentine's Day. My outfit is my black Calvin Klein trench. This particular trench is not available, but they always have something similar to this on Macy's website, and I always link my outfit details in the description box down below. This has tortoise colored buttons, which I love. My top is from American Eagle. This is the boyfriend Oxford white button-down collared shirt. I have it just a little front tuck into my black Target skinny jeans, and I am wearing my Oliver Cabell driving loafers on my feet. I've said before, I really like these shoes. They took forever to ship. And I don't know if that was just my experience or if that's just kind of what I should expect, because I've been spoiled by Amazon and sometimes things, you know, can't be done at an Amazon pace when they're a smaller business. But these took, I want to say like 6 weeks to come in the mail. But they are a great high quality shoe. I do recommend them, but you just need to be patient if you're going to order them from their website. That's the outfit for today. I will see you again tomorrow. My outfit for today is very basic. You will notice that in the winter, I don't have a ton of variety when it comes to what I wear. My main focus is really just being warm. I love the cozy vibes of winter attire, and that is really the main thing that I am focused on when I'm picking out my capsule wardrobe. I also love things in the white and cream, gray, black tones, as you've probably noticed throughout this video. Today, I am wearing a sweater from Talbot's. This is not still available, but it's just a basic white sweater. It does have exposed buttons on the side. Let's see if I can show those a little better. Has these exposed buttons on the side. I did like the contrast between the top and the bottom of the shirt, but really just a basic long sleeve white top. I'm pairing it with my American Eagle extra short skinny jeans. I cuffed them at the bottom today, and I'm wearing them with my Amazon slippers. I do plan on leaving the house. I need to go pick up a prescription later today, so I will show you when I am ready to leave the house, the shoes and the outerwear that I will be wearing. It's very, very cold today. I assume tomorrow I'm going to be dressing for snow. It's freezing outside. So going to go ahead, complete some chores around the house, and then I will pick you up later today and show you what I wear when I'm leaving. Here is the going out look. I have this CC beanie. Let's see if I can get closer here. Yeah, I have the CC beanie. I ordered this off of Amazon. Just a basic black beanie. I like the puff. It does have a lining on the inside, which is nice. It helps keep it warm. I have my trench coat that I wear all the time, and my Target memory foam sneakers. These shoes, they were a little bit uncomfortable when I got them initially. I love them now. Super comfortable, definitely broken in. Love these shoes. Oh, gonna run to Target, and this is the going out look. I also am gonna bring the same backpack that I showed earlier in the week. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, my husband and I are going out of town for the weekend and going to be traveling. It's not snowing here, it's just raining a lot, but where we're staying in Oregon, but where we're going, it's definitely going to be snowing. So I have this trench I've been wearing all week, which will keep me nice and warm. This is an Ann Taylor Loft dress that I purchased last year. They did have a very similar dress this year. I don't know, this sold out very fast last season, so I don't know if the other is still in stock, but if it is, I'll put it in the description box down below. These are the same Lululemon leggings. I am wearing wool socks and a pair of boots that I received as a Christmas gift. These are the Hunter Chelsea boots. If you can see a theme in this video, shoes is definitely an area that I was wanting to refresh, which I put shoes on several of my Christmas lists this year. So did get a couple of new pairs of shoes, which is nice to just kind of freshen everything up. I will probably wear the same beanie that I was wearing, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Gonna just be sitting in the car. And this will be perfect when we get into town. I feel like I can go out to dinner in this. I'm gonna be nice and warm. We can stop and get some coffee on the way. Perfect outfit. My husband and I go out of town every January. I filmed last year what I wore on this trip. I'm not gonna film my outfits during the trip this year, but last year I filmed and I wore this exact same dress as my travel dress last year. So perfect piece, loving it, excited, ready to go. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you are new to my channel and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here. I will include an entire playlist full of capsule wardrobe videos for you here, as well as an additional video that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy down here. I will see you in my next video. Bye.